Accused number one in the kidnapping and human trafficking trial of Jocelyn Smith, Yiannopoulos has told the court multiple times that he lied during his testimony. Apollos says he also made up the story about the child being sold to a sangoma for 20,000 rand. He said he lied that he was instructed by the police not to tell the doctor who examined him about how he sustained his injuries. The trial within a trial regarding the admissibility of two accused statements is currently underway. Yiannopoulos is under cross-examination by the state lawyers in the Western Cape High Court sitting in Saldanha on the Cape West Coast. Apollos and two accused, Stefano van Ryn, has claimed that police tortured them and coerced them into giving the so-called confessions. Apollos has also been accused of lying to the court, and he's now admitted it to the judge.
You've now told me a story on Friday.
Vrydag het u vir my 'n weergawe gegee
about this statement.
Aangaande hierdie verklaring of rakende hierdie verklaring.
You've backtracked on that story.
No.
Teruggegaan.
Ja, jy het teruggegaan met daardie storie. Jy distansieer jouself van daardie weergawe.
You've admitted to me that you lied to me about this statement.
Ek aan hierdie agbare hof erken dat ek leuns vertel rondom hierdie verklaring.
But would you agree with the prosecutor?
Sal jy dan saamstem met die staatadvokaat
that you made up a very good story because it sounds very true?
Dat jy 'n baie goeie storie opgemaak, want dit klink byna waar.
Ek verstaan
Ek
verstaan, maar dat is niet de waarheid hier al.
I understand it's not the truth, my lord.
Were you very good at school in writing compositions?
Op school was ik baie goed met opstellen te maken op school, toen je op school was.
Nee, niet baie goed hier al.
No, not very well, my lord.
So where does the sudden talent come from?
Nou waar kom hier die skillike gave